If your breakfast feels boring, you're missing out. Let's dive into the exciting world of eggs. Eggs are tiny powerhouses packed with nutrition. Just one large egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. And that's not all. Eggs are vitamin-rich too. From vitamin A to B12 and even vitamin D, your morning omelette is a vitamin buffet. Need minerals? Eggs have got you covered with iron, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Plus, they contain healthy fats, including those beneficial omega-3s, especially if the eggs are enriched or pasture-raised. But wait, there's more. Eggs are packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for eye health. Versatile and nutrient-dense, eggs can be a star player in any balanced diet. So, next time you're whipping up breakfast, remember, eggs aren't just tasty, they're nutritious too.